Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up presets and patrols using this Hikvision Mini PTZ Dome security camera. You may recall from my previous videos, this Mini PTZ camera has a motor inside which controls the direction in which the lens is pointing. It can pan, tilt and zoom with a 4x zoom lens, and it's all controlled remotely. Even though this camera cannot track an object, you can set up what is called patrols to automatically move the camera around in a predefined sequence of points with a predefined speed and predefined wait times between each of these points. These points are called presets. You can have 300 of these predefined combinations of pan, tilt and zoom, which are basically X, Y and Z coordinates on a three-dimensional graph. These presets can be added to a patrol, which is a string of presets with configurable wait times between each of the presets and configurable speeds at which the lens will move to the next preset. You can have 8 patrols with 32 presets in each. When you're talking about presets and patrols, you often see the word patterns. Now, patterns aren't used by this camera in particular, but what a pattern is a record and playback of a sequence of PTZ commands. So I can move the camera around and it will record all of those motions, and then I could play back that sequence in a loop. Now, using presets and patrols is basically the same thing, but you will have more control over the speed and the timings in between each of those presets. So why would you use patrols? They come in handy if you have one camera responsible for a large area. It's a great way to save money because you just need to purchase one device and it can cover multiple scenes and subjects. Now, there are 2 downsides to using patrols. One is the risk that you might miss an event because the camera happens to be patrolling in another direction. The second is that the motion detection may get triggered with patrols, and that's because the camera is moving and it may consider that motion a trigger for the motion detection. So you might be able to find a balance, however, where the patrol is so slow that it doesn't fire the motion alarm. So you can use patrols to scan your yard and then to zoom in on a doghouse, or on the front of your property to do a wide angle of your driveway and then zoom in on a gate. For me, I'll set mine up temporarily here on the corner of my deck where I can scan wide areas and then zoom in on various objects. So let's get this rolling. Presets and patrols can be configured using the live view page on the web user interface. They can also be set up using Hikvision's IVMS 4200 tool. So this is a free utility, and I'll add a link for that in my blog. Speaking of which, I'll also add a link in my blog where I purchased these Mini PTZ cameras. Let's log into the web user interface using Internet Explorer and try it out. Navigate to the live view page. Here you may need to click the slider on the right side of the page to gain access to the controls. The flag icon represents presets and the spinning icon represents the patrols. To save, click the gear icon. This will be a wide angle shot of my deck. Now you'll notice that the preset label is in bold, and I have the option to call that preset or delete it. Be careful with the delete because there's no confirmation. Let's save some more. A close-up of the back door. Now let's do a wide shot of the yard, now the shed, and let's move it past the garden, then the gazebo, and then a wide of the gazebo here, and then let's move it all the way around for a shot of the front, and then a close-up of the driveway entrance. You can call any of these presets by clicking on the call button. Now we will connect all of the dots using a patrol. Click on the gear icon to configure the first one. Now you can add each of the different presets. A drop-down menu appears and it's just full of the preset numbers. Next, I'll update the patrol speed. 1 is the slowest and 40 is the fastest. Now, zoom is not affected by the speed setting. For the patrol time, the minimum here is 15 seconds and the maximum is 3600 seconds or 1 hour. The timer doesn't start until the previous preset is in frame. To demonstrate the difference, I'll first make the speed 40 and the next one 1. You can also change the order of the presets within the patrol by using these up and down icons. Save it by clicking OK at the bottom of the screen. To start the patrol, press the play button. Let's add all of the other presets to this patrol and then play them. I'm going to speed this up a little bit now in the video because it's so slow. With patrols, there's no visual indicator showing that they've been set up or not. If you delete one, there's no confirmation or messaging or nothing on the user interface to show that change. Again, unfortunately it's a little confusing and frustrating if you hit delete by accident in this smash up of buttons here. By the way, if you totally mess things up and you want to start all over, all presets and patrols can be cleared on the configuration PTZ clear config screen. So when I was testing this out, I noticed that after a few hours the patrol would stop in some random place and it wouldn't start back up again. So this can be corrected if you set up a schedule. Here on the Configure tab in IE, under PTZ Schedule Tasks, you can enable a schedule. Select the type of schedule and populate the days and times that you want the schedule to run the patrol. It would be great if we could select different patrols to run at different times on different days. And you can set the park time, which is the wait time before the scheduled task starts. If you interrupt the patrol with a manual pan, tilt or zoom, after 5 seconds the patrol will pick up where it left off. And when you're all done, click save. So in conclusion, I'm still very pleased with this camera. I have several other videos on this device, so please check those out if you haven't already. I'll add the links to where I picked up my gear in my blog at newfieboard.com, which is in the description below. So please like and subscribe this video if you found it helpful on setting up presets and patrols. Thanks for watching.